Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install Visual C++ on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First you need to check your version of Visual C++ installed in your PC guys. To do this, go to search menu and type appwiz.cpl. Click on open it guys. Now in here you need to see you have the Microsoft Visual C++ or not. If you do not see, then you do not have Microsoft Visual C++ installed on your PC. And if it is been installed, you can able to see the version of it guys. That's not be the latest version. Now to download the Microsoft Visual latest version, to do this you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. If you are using 64-bit system, you just need to download this link guys. If you are using 32-bit system, you just need to download this link guys. To check your system bit, you just need to search for system information. Click on open it guys. Now in here the system type will be saying in here guys. My system is 64 based PC. Close out of here. Now I'm gonna download this link guys. If your system is 32 based PC, you just need to download this link guys. After downloading it, click on it and install it guys. Click on I agree to the license term and conditions. Click on install. Click on yes. This is the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ guys. After installing setup successfully, close out of here. Now we need to restart our PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, now we need to check whether the Microsoft Visual C++ is installed or not. To do this, go to search menu and type appwiz.cpl. Click on open it guys. Now you can able to see the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. This is the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ guys. We have successfully installed the Visual C++ guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. And you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.